Hi, it's Adam here from SatNav Systems, and today I want to show you the latest Volkswagen T-Cross original Volkswagen Detachable Towbar that we just completed on this car. This is the latest T-Cross model, and we just fitted the detachable Towbar. It doesn't have any levers or anything to release it. It's just simple, very similar to like a Westphalia kit, which just has a lever here, which you use to untouch the tall head, and it's a really nice piece of equipment. So I'll just show you now how this looks and works. So you've got this lever here, you've got this button to push in to push the lever down, but it won't do anything until you put the key in here. So before we get there, I just want to show you how it looks. When you get the T-Cross, you have to replace this bottom section here of the trim. So part of the bumper has to be replaced for it to accommodate the Towbar, where it just fits this little, it just comes with this little hole which is specifically cut in for this upgrade. You've got the electrics here as well, so they just come down and give you the latest electrics, and you can push it back in place. It just clicks in nicely and stays in there. So when you're not towing, you can just hide it completely, and it just doesn't show up at all. So to remove the tow head, you have to put the key here. So you remove the cover, you put the key in, and you turn it all the way up, or to the right if you prefer. Then that opens the lock. Then what you do, you need to press this button here and push the lever down. There you go, and that releases the Towbar, the tow head. And what you do with it, and just store it in the car. So it comes with this really nice bag. You can just store away, and the reason it's nice because it's got the Velcro on the other side, so you can just store it nicely in the car, and it doesn't move anywhere, it doesn't bother you while you drive. And you've got this little cover here, so you go down and you need to push it in there, and that's it. And that covers that hole for the tow head, so which has the grease and the locking mechanism, so that keeps the dirt away while you're not using the Towbar. And if you look from here, it's just like you don't have a Towbar at all, it's just fully hidden. So this tow head, you just store nicely in the bag, zip it, and then you can just put it whatever really suits you. And because it's got the Velcro at the bottom, it just stays in that place, and it doesn't move, doesn't wobble in the boot while you drive. Fully installed, 3 years warranty as usual. For more information, email us info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.